Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Hyderabad Business Cricket League, the tournament and jersey launch. It's an amazing evening. Glad that all of you could make it a Monday evening. Welcome to our respective chief guests, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Mr. Kaushik Reddy Garu, and a former Indian cricketer as well. To all the other chief guests, Mr. Rahul Chibliganj, our main title sponsor, Mr. Naveen from Navnami, and Mr. Nagesh Garu from Enrich, thank you. Thank you for all your support and making this evening happen. I would not waste a lot of time, but just want to quickly tell all of you what our league is all about. So Hyderabad Business Cricket League is conceptualized basically for passionate cricketers who are not just cricketers but also well versed in their own professions. These are prestigious business leaders in their own profession. They are doctors, they are chartered accountants. So we collectively have been playing for almost last 5 years, and today it's not a launch of a new tournament, but it is also showcasing how power of collaboration works, because my co-organizer Mr. Imani Vinay from EV Sports and Entertainment and I from Reith Cricket Club have been organizing tournaments for business owners for the last 5 years. But today we have collaborated and put this out together, where this has been one of the most, the largest business tournament in Hyderabad. With support of all of you, we have 18 teams today who are participating, and this tournament will go off for next 2 months. And it is not just cricket, but it is bonding, networking, and business over cricket. The group sitting over here day-to-day interacts and exchanges a lot of business. I cannot put down in numbers, but we have been doing that for the last 5 years. It's like anything we need, it's just a phone call away. And you would see that in the next 2 months. And also, we would want to acknowledge the fact that, after business hours are done, they rush to the field to play the game of cricket, where they bond and everyone is so passionate about. So quickly, without wasting any time, we'll be launching the jerseys of all the teams. I'll hand it over to Vinay to just give a short intro before we start off.
Thank you once again, and it is my pleasure. This is my 17th tournament for EV Sports and Entertainment. I have been playing with this business owners from last 3.5 years. We are taking each and every tournament to next level. We are always trying to target and make a big brand out of this business community. First of all, I would like to thank very much, firstly, my business community for supporting me. Forming 18 such business teams, playing for 2.5 months, the chartered accountant, the doctors, playing 18 teams and making 80 teams and trusting us and coming to form 18 teams is something phenomenal. And I would like to thank each and every team captain and each and every team player who are coming and supporting this league. Thank you very much. I would like to even thank our Navnami Managing Director Garu and Kiran. You have just not given the contact of Navnami, you have given the way, you have given the route for our passion, for our community. Your contact has been phenomenal and it worked on. Thanks Naveen Garu. Thank you very much for supporting us. This is something phenomenal. It is, I would have to say, just on a matter of 1 minute, one meeting, you guys have get it done. Thanks to our marketing head Naveen Garu. He's keep sitting it. And thanks to Rahul ji for coming from the shooting, in middle of the shooting. Thank you very much, sir. I would not take less than 2 minutes to complete. And special thank to Kaushik Reddy Anna. He is not for the first time he is coming. He is coming for the second time. He has taken out the time. He has come to my major league, which has given me a trademark Digital Media Premier League, which I have done along with my boss, Mr. Mahinder from Signature Studios. Not only my boss, he's my brother like one. He's the owner and managing director of Signature Studios. And again, I would like to thank Nagesh Garu from NSR Hospital. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you coming all over here. And I would like to acknowledge my first sponsor for this tournament, Mr. Rishabh. He's run a studio called as Audio Beyond a Home Theater Setup. And I would like to even thank our associate sponsor and sports sponsor, Mr. Shabazz Munir from Leonex Sports, and also GTG Tirmal Reddy from our community, which is into travel and everything. He is sponsoring for the Man of the Series. It is phenomenal. Thank you very much once again. Thank you all.